Hello everyone, I am Nafiul Haq. I am going to teach you guys MSC 441 Introduction to Electronic Commerce on this summer 2020. Before in previous semesters in this course is really very much happening. The practitioners and the market leaders in Bangladesh, they try to share their experience in the classroom. So on this pandemic time, our class is in online, so we would like to collaborate more to our external resources in our class so that we can get their vibe, thoughts, and plan, strategy, each and everything regarding the electronic commerce in Bangladesh. I hope on this pandemic time you guys ordered something in online and you guys get delivered at home, whether the quality is different consideration, but you probably ordered something by using your cell phone or laptop or over the phone, and after some time you guys get delivered in your doorsteps, and you guys paid by using any kind of mobile wallet, or by using a debit card or credit card. So this is completely different ball game at this moment. See, on by using internet we are delivering this lecture, and you guys are accepting this method of learning and new tools and technologies. So this is the future. You guys need to know more about it. In this semester I will try to introduce you guys different types of resources, global resources and local resources, in terms of getting the idea of designing an electronic commerce or implementing electronic commerce in Bangladesh context. The class whole plan is these are the resources. Furthermore, I will update resources which is really appropriate and relevant for this course. I will try to give you guys all the components in BUX. We have lots of talks. I will record those talks live by taking questions from you. I will give our different types of industry practitioners, lawyers, investors, and entrepreneurs the question ahead of time. They will collaborate our class live or recorded, and we will share those things in the class. Assessment, these are the assessment on MSC 441 quiz. There are a couple of quizzes. One is before the midterm and another is before the final exam, and that is 20%. Midterm is 20%. Project, one grand project for MSC 441, which is 20%, and final exam is rest of the mark is 40%. Class structure, on the MSC 441 I will give you lots of recorded lectures, and I will be there in online during the class time, the live consultation hour. That will be really fun. Please, if you guys do not have really serious problem, try to attend those live consultation hours. In that case I can give you guys really updated informations, practice and everything. Industry leaders and professionals will talk. This is really another great opportunity to network with them. Communication, for any kind of course related communications, you guys are welcome to use the BRAC University official email. I'll create a WhatsApp group after the first consultation hour. gone, and then another great tool will use Google Meet, where we'll live communicate with each others. Looking forward to have an exciting summer 2020. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Thank you very much.